Look at the dispersion here. It seems we have an anomaly in the tensile data.
I agree. Let's cross-reference with the baseline elasticity figures.
The tension on layer 3 is fluctuating slightly.
Acknowledged. I'm adjusting the feed rate now.
The tension readings are fluctuating on loom 12.
It's still within the acceptable parameters according to the specs.
We're maintaining optimal tension during the steel application.
Confirmed. The synchronization between the robots is perfect. Diameter is reading 90.5. Alignment checks out, moving to consistency.
The curing hall operates with synchronized precision. As the semi-finished tires move,
Welcome to Scene 28, where automated precision applies the final protective coatings and branding under the watchful eye of our technicians.
The synchronized movement of the logistics fleet is crucial.
Clear on the left. Bring it back slowly.
Check the manifest against the batch numbers. Looks good, Supervisor. Ready for loading.
Make sure these are scanned before they hit the manifest, updated immediately.
The thermal printers are ready at the end of the line, just waiting on the next batch.
All right, you're clear on the left. Watch the merge ahead.
How are the moisture results on the rubber?
All green, passing the spec limits.
Tensile strength looks good here too.
Keep an eye on the viscosity here. It's slightly high.
Okay, adjusting the additive flow now.
The assembly bay utilizes state-of-the-art technology to produce custom tires with unparalleled precision.
Belt alignment check on lane 3.
Reading at 99.8, within tolerance.
We've got a fluctuation on the temperature gauge here.
Noted. I'll recalibrate the pressure sensor.
The automated trimming station precisely refines the tire sidewalls, showcasing the synchronization of the production line.
We have a slight anomaly on the sidewall scan here.
I see it. Rerunning the macro capture now.
Check the pressure on nozzle 4. It seems slightly low.
Yes, I see that. Adjusting the flow rate now.
There's a slight fluctuation here on the thermal scan. It's reading hotter than the baseline.
The integration of AI-driven robotics has increased our throughput by nearly 40%.
Scan complete on truck 4.
Copy that. Moving to seal check.
Hold the line. Truck approaching.
Bay 3 is clear. Send the next AGV.
All right, team, let's keep the flow moving smoothly. Pallet 42B goes directly to the bonded storage section, aisle 9.
Gate 1 is clear. Convoy 4 proceeding to highway.
Copy that. Dispatch.